Pickup 5590, Tower 1187, good night.
Tower pickup 5590, yeah.
Delta 490, terrain handle 120, descend and maintain 2000.
120 down to 2, Delta 490.
Approach Delta 2139, we just had something hard hit our windshield. It sparked and cracked our windshield.
Delta 2139, roger, need any assistance?
Not at this time for Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, flighting 050, descend and maintain 3000.
050, descend and maintain 3000, Delta 2139.
Delta 490, turn right heading 190, join localized.
190, join the low field to site, Delta 490.
Delta 490, clear visual approach to runway 22, Tower 1187, good night.
Clear the visual 22, Tower, good night, Delta 490.
Delta 2139, they're going to have me declare an emergency on you, so we're going to get you in as soon as we can.
Okay, Delta 2139, declaring an emergency.
Delta 490, Tower 1187, good night. Delta 2139, reduce speed to 180, fighting 060.
Reduce the speed to 180, 060 on the heading, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, when you can, passengers and on board and crew members as well as fuel remaining.
We have 113 souls on board and approximately 45 minutes of fuel. Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, could you give me that in pounds?
Okay, we got 6,500 pounds of fuel, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, thank you. Descend and maintain 2000.
Descend and maintain 2000, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, turn right heading 110.
Right to 110, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, advise the field.
Field site, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, clear visual approach to runway 22.
Clear visual approach, runway 22, Delta 2139.
Delta 2139, tower's going to be ready for you. Contact the tower 118.7. Have a good night.
1187, Delta 2139. Thanks for the help. Have a good night.
You too. Delta 1771, reduce speed to 180.
Back to 180, Delta 1771.
Skywest 3716 to go to Tower 13, line up away, traffic 122.
Probably what's your line up on Skywest 37?
Tower Delta 2139, ILS 22.
Delta 2139 to go to Tower, traffic information at 13, runway 22, call to land, wind 130 at 10.
Third land runway 22, Delta 2139.
Skywest 3716, runway 13, clip takeoff, traffic 5 out, wind 1309.
Probably 13, clear for takeoff, Skywest 37.
Delta 490, West Charlie Bravo, contact on.
Charlie Bravo, ground, Delta 490.
Any emergency truck on, President?
LaGuardia Tower, car 90.
Car 90, LaGuardia Tower, subject gas traffic on a 4-mile final from runway 22, wind 140 at 9.
Copy, I'm holding short of 13.
Car 90, crossing the 13 at the approach. Car 90, roger, caution jet blast from the 730, Christian Airbus, proceed on to runway 22, crossing the 13.
90, runway 22, falling. Tower Delta 2139, we don't need any assistance.
Sounds good, Delta 2139. So we left there, Charlie Bravo, and contact ground point 7.
Charlie Bravo, ground point 7, Delta 2139. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Car 90, just let you know, subject address, no assistance required.
90, copy.